All right, hey, this is Hans and this is
Minus.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. And today we've got a box from
USA.
That's right, the USA. These are Sapporo Ichiban products made by Sanyo Foods in California. They were kind enough to send some along, so let's crack it open and have a look at what's inside. Oh, righty then, that took a little bit to open. So let's set this aside and go through everything one by one. So first we got some miso ramen that Miles is helping out with. This is the bowl version of the pack version that they have here. And this is another bowl version of a pack that you can find locally in the US. This is it's more of kind of a shoyu flavor to it. And finally, there's Shio. If you didn't know, the Ramen Rater logo has a bowl of noodles in the background, and it's from a bowl of Shio, not a bowl variety of Shio, a pack variety, but it's from this same product. And then they've got some new things. So this is Momosan Ramen. I'll have to ask them for more information about this because I don't know who, what, why, or when, or who's this guy. I'm guessing he might be Momosan. What do you think? Is that Momosan?
Momosan?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Miles knew about that, so that's helpful. And then here's their Tokyo chicken variety. So I'm very curious about these. Sapporo Ichiban really takes a lot of time before they come out with something new. So this is probably going to be something special. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. All right, well, cool. Thank you very much to, I'll just call her Kay over at Sanyo Foods. She's leaving the company, and I wanted to say thank you very much for working with me over the years. And hello to T. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Minus.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Every day.
All right, have a good one.
Bye.